Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to solo in Hunt Showdown. To begin, select a hunter with beneficial traits such as Physician, which speeds up healing, or Frontiersman, granting extra tool uses. Your loadout should be versatile, perhaps a shotgun for close quarters and a rifle for longer distances. Always prioritize stealth and maintain keen map awareness in the early game to avoid early engagements and gather crucial information. As you gather the 3 clues, approach each one with extreme caution, constantly listening for any audio cues from other hunters or AI. Once you have all clues, use your dark sight to pinpoint the boss lair. This is a critical moment to decide your next move. You might choose to ambush rival teams as they arrive, or even during their intense boss fight, catching them off guard. When you reach the boss lair, first clear out any minor AI to prevent distractions during the main fight. Then, engage the boss, using explosives like dynamite bundles or specific weapon types that deal high damage to quickly defeat the creature. Once the boss is down, secure the bounty tokens. With the bounty in hand, carefully plan your extraction route, anticipating potential ambushes from other hunters. To truly excel solo, master the game's intricate sound design. Listen for footsteps, gunshots, and environmental cues to track enemy hunters and predict their movements. In firefights, never stay in one spot. Constantly reposition to keep opponents guessing and maintain a tactical advantage. Finally, always carry utility like a choke bomb for extinguishing fires or a concertina bomb for blocking pathways, offering crucial defensive options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.